Alright, what's up guys, it's Scoot STL.
And we're back at Ramp Riders because it's been snowy and raining outside and it's been super cold, so we're gonna be playing Calling the Shots. So yeah. Okay, so we're starting off here at this little mini spine. So it's got like a little quarter to transition, and there's a little dip, and then there's another quarter over there. Okay, I'm gonna call Jackson kickless on this little mini spine. Nice. Alright guys, Alright guys,
I'm gonna call Henry a triple whip. Alright guys, Henry's doing triple whip on this mini spine. Alright, let's see him go. If he will go. Alright guys, I honestly did not expect Henry to do that because this is a very hard section to do it on. I've tried it and I can't do it, so don't blame him. He's not bad.
Alright, next trick I'm gonna call Jackson is a triple whip.
What is he doing?
Alright Jackson, that's it for your attempts.
Alrighty guys, I'm calling Henry finger whip. I don't know about this one because it seems like it would be pretty hard. He might land a manual, but I guess we'll see.
Alright, I'm gonna call Jackson a bar whip.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be calling Henry a kickless on this quiet over there if you can see it. I don't really know because it's a front facing camera, but I think we can get this pretty easy.
Alright, I'm gonna call Jackson the heel rewind.
Alright, so this time I'm going to be calling Henry a finger whip just out, fly out. So yeah, let's get to it.
Alright, I'm calling Jackson a bar whip on this box.
Alright, well I forgot to say it, but I'm calling Henry a triple whip on this little transfer. Alright, I'm gonna call Henry Barsman out of this flyout. I think we can do it pretty easy. Let's see how it does.
Alright, I'm gonna call Jackson a triple whip.
Alright, so I'm gonna have Henry 180 fakie this whole box and then half cab it.
Alright, next trick I'm gonna call Jackson is bride.